Welcome back to Stock Shock. Let's see next week trading action plan. This is for 23rd August 2021. Let's dive into our usual chart, SPY daily. This will actually get us a broader market view. Let's look at now the chart. If you look at our prior video, we clearly mention about the weakness of SPY moment it touches between 447 and 450, it went down, right? As we mentioned in the prior video, it's like a textbook procedure. It's happening. However, this time I'm not expecting this market will resume uptrend to get the all-time high. This will actually trap the bulls. So be careful. No need to be bullish at this point. The reason is the RSI is really diverging. It should have been 60, 65 by now, but it is not. It is closed, around 57. Momentum look like going up, but if you look at the slide here, definitely it's going down momentum compared to prior week or prior days. So I'm expecting market will retest the 50-day moving average, that is around 434, 435-ish, that area. I'm not expecting this will exactly touch 434, but if it does, I wouldn't surprise. But I'm expecting this will be retesting that platform again sometime next week. Maybe GDP report, that's on Thursday, so that could probably trigger that slide. But next few days, I'm expecting market will go up around 445 or like 446, but this will be going down again. So be very careful. Um, and if you are long on any of those broader market re-economy trades like Disney, Walmart, Costco, have edges or raise cash and have selective puts for your hedging. Now look at our next week key factors. I would continue to watch 10-year yield, which is closed at 1.255. If market expects that Fed is going to start tapering, the yield wouldn't be like this. Yield would have been right now 1.7, 1.8. But bond market, which is much, much bigger than equity market, thinks that Fed is not going to taper off, Fed is not going to increase the rate. So that is what bond market is indicating, which is very bullish for broader market, our broader equity market, especially growth stocks. So I would, continue to watch big tech like Facebook, Google, Amazon. Amazon is broken, but continue to watch Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, and Google. The next one is continue to watch VIX, which is closed at 18.56. Moment it touches 20, and if it breaks out from 20, I'll be very careful. And there is an indication that there are more slides to come, more weakness to come. So as long as it's trading below 20, I'm okay. I feel comfortable to go with a long on calls or long on most of the stocks. But if it is touches 20 and above, I'll be nimbling my position, and I will raise cash because I'm expecting market will go down big time in September. So I would like to be prepared. Again, our overall thesis is market will bottom sometime in September, October first week, then will resume its uptrend towards the year end. By the time you would get clarity as well around this delta cases, whether this will flatten or third wave, and mostly we will come out of that third wave quickly. Now oil is last week down big time. The inventory get reported on Wednesday, but I don't expect any major news around oil. Still expect oil will continue to go sideways. So what it means is crude oil, if it is getting traded between 60 and 65 per barrel, that is a bullish for rest of the market. Oil is the main contributor to inflation, so which is getting traded at This nominal range 60, 65 per barrel indicates that a market has more legroom to go up, especially growth stocks. Now, GDP report is on 26th August. I'm not expecting any fanfare report out of this GDP. It would be mostly in line with what analysts they were thinking about, but it's a market moving news though. If any bad GDP, definitely most of the reopening trades like Costco or Disney or Visa, those type of companies, even financials like Goldman, JP Morgan will go down big time. So very careful. That's why it's better to edging on a growth stock like a Square or Facebook or Microsoft. Those are all actually COVID friendly stocks, I would say. And so continue to watch that space. Also, crypto is almost Bitcoin is approaching 50K. It's a major milestone again, major resistance, but it's bullish though for some of the uh, crypto stocks like Square, Tesla, Coin. So I'll continue to watch on that. That would shows that the risk on behavior by the crowd. If it is touches 50, I would expect it will come down to 48, 47 again. Then it will resume uptrend to reach all-time high in next 2 to 3 months. So very bullish on Square, in fact, Square and Tesla. Key earning report from Snowflake next week. This is on August 25th. So on Wednesday evening, I'm very bullish on Snow because a lot of enterprise level companies are going to cloud and they are making use of cloud database like Snowflake. So I expect very strong earning growth from Snowflake. But I'm not a big fan of playing, earning, news around earning release. So I would wait for earning to get released. I look at the earnings report, then I try to make a move, make a decision out of it. But I am long on Snowflake. I find this is something like a multi-bagger stock for next several years, like 4 to 5 years. This will be at least 4 to 5 times more than what it is right now. Let's look at some of the other stocks as well. I'm looking at IWM Weekly. This is a small cap ETF. I don't want to touch daily candle, which has a lot of noise. So I'm pulling the weekly candles. If you look at our prior videos, I clearly mentioned about IWM going down and touching 210, and it's like textbook procedure. It touched close to 210. Now, then Friday it closed at 215 plus, but the slide is not done yet. I'm expecting IWM to go up on Monday, Tuesday, next early part of next week to touch 218, 220 area. But this is going down, and this will be touching 204. That is on the weekly candle. That 50-day moving average is will be retested. That is what I'm looking at. The main reason is RSI, weekly RSI is going down. I think it will bottom around 30, 35. Until then, this will be going down or going sideways. This will be retesting the 50-day moving average on the weeklies, and this will be going down for next 1 month. I don't think this will expected to resume uptrend anytime soon. So be watchful, be careful if you're along on this. Now, our favorite stock SQ Square weekly. Again, I'm pulling weekly. It's very disappointing. Last 2 weeks, it's been sliding down, down, down without any green days, except on last Friday, it went up like 5 points. The RSI is, not bad though. It's still, kind of little divergence, but it's in still bullish zone. I'm expecting Square to go up because one more thing is the crypto is going up, Bitcoin is going up, and I know Jack Dorsey invested and showing a lot of interest in Bitcoin related mining as well. So I'll be expecting some news around it as well from Square. And overall, given the crypto strength, I would expect Square to resume uptrend, but the major resistance is 275. So it may go up and touch 275. Again, it will go down, or it may try to consolidate around 275. But I'm bullish though for long term on Square. So that's all, folks, for this week action plan. And I hope you would like the video. And if you like the video, please subscribe to it. Time to time I post a lot of tips around various growth stock. Thank you.